We have already seen how to create a reliable consumer, considering that we are creating group ID, we also have rebalancing, we have offset, and also we are committing offset manually. But we can even more advance that. So let's take one specific scenario. Let's say that we have a payment and we have a topic that receives a payment and it's important transactions, and whenever we are receiving a payment, some of the payloads, some of the messages that we are received, they are malformed. So what it means is they are containing the error and we should not process those messages. Let's see that how we are going to handle that scenario. So we have a main topic, let's call it payments, right? So we have here a topic that's called payments, where we are receiving the payments. And so what we do is we are trying to process those messages. If those messages, let's say that they are containing a word fail, in that case, what we do is we are dissimulating that, throwing an exception, and what we do is here we are catching those exceptions and we are retrying once, right? We're trying one more time. So what we do here, we are catching that exception and we are trying to process one more time. If we couldn't succeed, let's say that the first time there was some issue with our consumer and we try to do that one more time, we try to process that one more time, we try to process one more time, and if on the second time it also fails, so what we do is we are sending that message to a special topic. We usually call it dead letter Q, or it's a dead letter topic. We also call it dead letter Q. We are sending to dead letter Q for further analysis, right? So what we do here is we are receiving a message, and after first retry, we are sending that to the dead letter Q, and after that, only after that, we are committing that message. That's how we make sure that our consumer is reliable and it's not going to stuck on one message, right? Because if we are not going to add that processing here, send that to dead letter Q, either we have to add more logic for, let's say that for retrying it 5-6 times, or we need to do something with that message. In our case, as I said, the best practice is to send that to the dead letter Q topic. So that's exactly what we are doing here. So I have already created these two topics. I've created the payments topic and the payments dead letter Q topic, and in our producer that we have seen earlier, so what I do in my producer, I am sending to the payments topic 10 messages, and randomly I am, for the 5 of the messages that I'm sending, is the value I'm setting to success, and for the 5 of them, they are containing a word fail, right? So they are containing a word fail. So for example, let's change it to fail to, and let's send those messages and verify that they are received in our consumer. So what we do is first, let's start our consumer here. Let's start our consumer. So let's start our consumer. Now let's start our producer. We are going to start producer, and we also have a consumer here, which I have already created. This is the consumer for the payments dead letter Q, right? This is the dead letter Q topic. So if the message fails more than once, then in that case we are sending to that topic. I've already tested that, but let's send more cases. In our case, we are sending for 2, right? So we are sending to 2. We are sending fail to 2, which means that they will be also published to the dead letter Q here. So let's start our producer, and we are starting here our producer. So messages are published. And now we can go to our consumer. As you can see here, some messages are processed because they are success, they don't contain fail. And let's say that the sum of our transactions that contain fail, we are sending them to dead letter Q. Let's go to check dead letter Q. As you can see here, we have 5 messages that we received. So what we do with these messages usually, we daily check that, okay, do we have any messages in the dead letter Q? So we may consume and create some dashboard and do some analysis on those failed transactions.